part 4 of the range cylinder repair, removal. I don't know what it's going to be yet. Well, for sure, removal. I just cleaned up the regulator here, and that's what it looks like. Transmission, it goes like that. Damn, the mosquitoes here. And it's made of aluminum. Eaton. There's a pressure rating on it there. 96 to 431 kPa, which is 57.5 to 62.5 psi. So it reduces the 100 120 psi from the truck, from the air compressor down to half. So if I'm going to reuse this thing, I am going to have to clean it for sure. Now, I don't know. I'm just amazed at the screw ups that companies do. Why the hell do you have this slot here for all that crap and junk to get on the threads, and on this side as well? So, and again, that's just one other reason why you shouldn't use bolts. All bolts should be stainless. So I'll just show you these as well. This is what the bolts look like from, these went in there, and that's what they look like. As you can see, there's no threads up here. The rust just, this one is okay because it was on the bottom where it's exposed to the transmission oil, so that's why it's nice and clean. But there's this blue stuff, and I think somebody must have put Loctite on it. Can't think of anything else that would be blue like that on threads. So again, there's another bolt looks like, and this one's the worst of them. Look at that. Well, there's a comparison there. So only I know how hard it was to take those things out. And, well, I still have one that's broken inside there. So, alright, I just wanted to show you guys that. I'll put this back. And the other thing that I found odd is that there was no gasket on this thing. No signs of a gasket whatsoever. This is how, I didn't clean this part at all. This is exactly how I found it. So that is strange. I would think that there is supposed to be a gasket here. And again, there it's nice and clean as well. Is that a gasket there? I don't think so. That looks like steel to me. Yeah, that's, maybe that is the gasket there. Maybe it's a steel gasket. I don't think so. I don't think that's a gasket. Well, we'll find out.